Hey, do you want to go to the calf? I'm hungry.
Yeah, sure.
Hey, do you remember that time we went to Mount Nebo and hiked up the mountain?
What? We never went.
Yeah, we did.
What?
Yes, you were on your phone the whole time. That's why.
Well, do you want to go tomorrow then?
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay.
I'm so glad it's the weekend. We really need to do this hike.
Yeah, me too. I had a stressful week.
All right, so this time, no phones, okay?
Okay, as long as we take pictures at the end.
Okay. See that water back there? It should be clear.
I know. It's so pretty.
I can't wait till
That was such a good hike. We should do that again sometime.
Yeah.
Say your name and class.
My name is Drake Fowler, and I'm a freshman.
How much time do you think you spend on your phone a day?
I'd say probably around 3 or 4 hours.
You think it affects your friends or family relationships?
No, because most of the time when I'm on my phone, I'm talking with my family. So,
Do you think it affects any of your schoolwork?
probably so. I probably shouldn't get on it that much. I should study more.
State your name and class.
Hi, I'm Taylor Crumley. I'm a freshman.
How much time do you think you spend on your phone a day?
5 hours.
Do you think it affects any relationships with your friends or family?
No,
You don't. Okay. Do you think it affects your work in school or anything like that?
not really.
You don't. Do you think it didn't like interfere with what you're doing within class or anything like that?
No, there's other factors.
Right. And you.
I'm Zach Kemp. I'm a freshman.
How much time do you think you spend on your phone out of the day?
2 to 3 hours.
Do you think it affects any relationship you have with your girlfriend, friends?
No.
Do you think it affects your schoolwork with anything like procrastinating or anything like that?
Yeah.
How so?
I just get sidetracked and stay on my phone, not do work.
All right, thank you.